If you're looking to buy a BLDC fan in 2025 under 3000 rupees, the Polycab Visi Neo BLDC fan is a good choice to consider. I bought this fan for about 2600 rupees after a 10% discount from Amazon. You can check out the link in the description for a more updated price. This is a 1200 mm 5-star BLDC fan. Inside the box, you will get a fan along with the remote. For installation, you can call the brand, but it is a paid service. So I got it done from an electrician nearby and it charged me around 100 bucks. One thing that I would recommend is to remove the regulator when the fan is installed, as it can impact the fan in the long run. Also, it is recommended that you pair the remote with the fan immediately after turning the fan on using the fan switch. When it comes to design, the Polycab Visi Neo fan is available in multiple color options. I chose the white color as it matched with my aesthetics, and it's also very minimalistic, so there is no other thing needed in the room. You can also opt for its higher variant, which is a slightly more costly than this, and it comes with a LED light option. If you're looking for a fan that is a basic fan and that goes along with every interior, then this would be the good choice for you. Talking about the usage of the fan, let's talk about the fan speed. In this model, you get 6 speed options which can be controlled at a click of a button from this remote, and it is also very convenient as you don't have to get up again and again to turn the regulator according to your comfortable speed. This is especially helpful during the nights when you're sleeping. So if you're coming from outside and you quickly need a burst of air on your face, there is a dedicated boost mode in the remote that you can activate and enjoy a very high speed flow instantly. Talking about the noise of the fan, I'll put up a video showing you the different noises at different speed. As per my experience, it's quite convenient and I don't feel that there is a extra noise in the room. If you're a person who likes to switch off the fan during the night when the AC is on, then there are 3 timers that you can set for 2 hours, 4 hours and 8 hours. You can also check out the sleep mode if you like. This fan also supports a reverse airflow mode, which is particularly helpful during the winters, as it helps in the upward circulation of the warm airflow. Now that I've started using this fan from quite a few weeks, I feel that the remote, while it is an advantage, but it is also a disadvantage. So there are with families that have babies in the house and who takes the remote along with them and go around in the house. So it is very difficult sometimes to find the remote. And then it becomes really challenging to control the remote as per your convenience. So I would suggest that you keep the remote handy with you. Now let's talk about the main reason why everybody is looking to buy a BLDC fan. This fan comes with a 35 watts motor, which is significantly lower than the 65 watts fan that I had previously. So you can expect up to 50% savings from your overall fan consumption with the help of a BLDC fan. While making a purchase of a BLDC fan, I selected this particular model because of the warranty. You get a 4-year warranty on this product from the brand, which is something that not a lot of brands are offering at this price point. This is my take on the Polycab Visi Neo BLDC fan. I hope you like the video.